Hello, my name is Sonia and I live in Washington State. I am currently a substance use disorder counselor. I primarily work at the local jail here as a case manager, but with COVID-19, I'm forced to work from home. So I've switched over from case management to counselor. It's been quite a change without much support, but I'm managing. Um, the reason why I am in this program at this time is because last summer I began classes for substance use disorder counseling, but they told me that a lot of the classes were full, so I couldn't move forward, and I wasn't just okay with kind of taking the back road and not making improvements. So I decided to switch from that to the master's program for social work. And I think in the long run, it'll help me more because it'll open up more doors for me. Later on, I do plan on going back to get my certificate for substance use disorder, just because you're given five years to complete that, so time's a ticking. But yeah, I'm excited to see what the rest of this class has to hold. Yeah.